how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Instagram right here. And then once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So click this one right here. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of the screen. So click that right there. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to click Account Center. Once you click Account Center, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll all the way down right here until you see the account section. So just click account section right there. And then once you're now here, you will now be able to see all of the accounts that is connected into your Instagram account. So since we want to unlink Facebook from our Instagram account, what we're going to do, let's say for example that this is the account that you want to remove. What we're going to do is to click remove right here. And then after that, what we're going to do is to click remove account and then click continue. And then after that, just click this once again. And then it will now be automatically removed from our Instagram account. So as you can see, we now have unlinked our Facebook from Instagram. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to unlink Facebook from Instagram.